Okay, so in this I'm gonna teach you. So let's see this. So Java version. So we could not find the Java DLL and Java SE runtime environment. So how to fix this? So go to the system variable. Go to the environment variable. Go to the path. Edit. Okay, do you see this system program Oracle Java path? So this, we don't need this. So on older version you need to remove this. So just delete this. Okay. So if you open Eclipse, the error is gone now, so you can use Eclipse. Yeah, it's working. So this is how you fix that when you're installing new Java version. So yeah, this is it, man. So